Hey everyone! Being a student comes with some massive perks, and the GitHub Student Developer Pack is easily the best one. It gives you thousands of dollars in professional tools for free, including the full power of GitHub Copilot Pro. In 2026, the process is mostly automated. Let's get you verified and coding with AI in minutes. Step 1. Prep your proof. Before you start, make sure your GitHub account has your legal name and your school email added and verified in your settings. You'll also need a clear photo of your student ID with a visible date or a current enrollment letter. Pro tip: if your ID doesn't have a date, have your class schedule or a tuition receipt ready as secondary proof. Step 2. Apply for the pack. Head over to education.github.com/pack and click Sign up for Student Developer Pack. 1. Select the Get Student Benefits option. 2. Choose your verified school email from the list. 3. Type in your school's name and briefly describe how you plan to use GitHub. Something like learning web development works perfectly. Step 3. Upload, submit, and activate. Now, upload your proof of enrollment. In 2026, GitHub prefers a live photo taken with your phone or webcam. Once submitted and approved via email, go to your GitHub settings, click on Copilot, and hit Get Access to GitHub Copilot Pro to activate your free Pro subscription. Finally, install the Copilot extension in VS Code, sign in, and you're ready to code. Now go build something awesome with all those free tools. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.